Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This video is part 3 for the question and answer project that we started. I apologize for the last video. That video was nice, interesting, and I apologize for that. But in today's video, we will continue from the last time we ended up. In the last time, I tried to print it out after the question is asked. For every single question, every single choices, but it doesn't work. But now we are going to bug with that problem, and I'll see you in the code. Let's get started. We back in the last time. I was trying to do that, but that doesn't work for me. But now what I'm trying to do is now I'm going to do every single list together, those questions with every together with the other list, like this. You know what? I'm not going to bother you with showing my bugging, but what I'm now doing is I will ask the AI to give me the questions together with the choices and in the list way, and then in that way we can just make it easy. But we are going to use too much if statement for this question, but that's what we are going to do, and let's do that now, and I'll see you guys in the ChatGPT page, GPT screen, and I will ask the ChatGPT to do that hard work to us, because it is too much work to do, and it will make AI very easy for us. So I will ask him, can you give me those question with their spelled wrong here? I believe it is A, with their choice in title list way. I hope you will give me, you will understand what I mean. Not dictionary list. In one list and in one string the question you see, it did that for us, so we don't have to do too much work. And I will copy and paste those things here, and as you can see here, you will ask the question here, and then we have to choose one thing. So we are not going too long using the for loop, but I'm not going to promise, but in the future I will going to show you by using for loop, because I don't have time to make that video because I'm running out of time. I just only have 30 minutes to record, so I don't have time to ready to the video, and I apologize for that. And what we are going to do is we have to create if statement for every single questions. So we can just say if okay, I apologize again, we need to use for loop. Okay, I'm sorry. For okay, let's go with the AI format way. In questions with choices, but we can just say QC, just stand for question and choice, just to not have a big complex code. Okay, and then we can say input QC, and then we will going to print it out every single question as we there. Okay, what is here? Okay, type here. I forget, I believe all. Okay, yep, let's clean the terminal for last clear. Or okay, I'll release this terminal, everything terminal, and now I'll run this again. You see, it will print it out again. That's awesome. Still we're not get in the very interesting part, and we can also if you don't want to, I mean, I don't know about you, it is weird if we type something like this, you will going to also write it without any space or anything, but we can do something here by just say do n string away. This will going to give us any space. Okay, let's try it. Okay, maybe like this. Okay, I got my problem. All this out. Alright, still doesn't give us. We have very alright. For last time, let's delete this terminal. Okay, let me run this one. Okay, still doesn't work. Let's try this one. Oh. Yep, this is what I want to show you. Okay, we got it. This, I mean, I am also a I have to be a student because I don't know much thing about it, this coding stuff, until I still working on it. So don't judge me. I just show you my journey of learning code or machine learning. This is and we can do that like this, and I will continue the part 4 video in the next video. In the next video I will going to create if statement to score if the user is answered the question or not, and I'll see you in that video. I'm sorry for this video is not interesting at all, so goodbye.